Good morning. It is Wednesday, January 19th, garbage day. Okay, so we got this VVOS. It's not really anything. The news is, I don't know, it's not the greatest. They announced 18 times increase in sleep apnea diagnostic. Right? If anybody doesn't know what sleep apnea is, it's when everybody knows what that is. Never mind. Da, 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 da. Yeah, and if you don't believe this stuff is a business, here it is here. We have always believed the pathway to getting more patients, that means like selling more stuff, patients into treatment, begins with an easy, inexpensive, highly accurate diagnostic process. So if we can tell you you're sick, we can get you to buy more stuff. So, excuse me. So there's your order. 223 buy, $2.23 with a $2.13 stop. Volume has increased here if you've noticed. This might work. I kind of leery about it, but again, if you don't it'd be like if you're late, you know what I mean, you're always if you don't shoot, you can't hit the target. Doesn't seem to be a whole heck of a lot going on today. DWAC is getting whacked as we speak, so this might be the one. It has quite a bit of volume coming through, so this is the best of the worst. 15 million shares rolled through already on a like 13 point something float, right? So we've already rotated the float. So I just feel this news is not worthy enough. And the way it's kind of just, I don't know, it's not moving. You can see by you can just tell, I guess, once you get to a certain level of expert or experience here, like we've watched it enough, it's just not moving. I guess quick enough or violent enough. Yeah, and there's pretty deep pullback there. So is it the right choice or wrong choice? I don't know. Sometimes it's got to shake out. It's got to shake some people out here first. Yeah, I was almost gonna suggest that you take it. See where the stop is? That's put your order where the stop is, right? I was thinking around 12 here, just the break of this guy here. Huh. I guess you'd be back at it now, but I mean, at one point I was like, wow, you would have been up quite a bit there, eh? Right, and this, I'd like to see it take support here. So I guess you would want to have, okay, so you have your thing set up, and I guess you put a limit here, and then what you risk here. Huh. We could start trying to work that out, but experimenting leads to losses. So there's the fill. Let's see if it has a reaction into here. So like what we want to do is take it a little bit early at 16 instead of we're at 18 is our price. No, sorry, our price is at 23. Look at it. Do what I say, don't do what I do. Yeah, there's your limit. There's the limit working. Son of a bitch. And we wanted to take 16 as it. We'll see if it does something here, and then we can maybe see if we can move our order. Shit, we were just trying to move it to 17, if you see there. Shit, it's going to fill us now at 23. Dang it. I'm telling you, man, you got to be really quick, too. Or we just let it fill up. See, sometimes if you look at it like this, you're like, wait a second, why didn't I take that there? On the, like, see that limit? There it is. We're getting a bunch of volume coming in here. More than likely we'll get filled, like, within the next minute here, unless something happens. Okay, so look at that. It ran up. Now we're gonna see if we can test VWAP here. See, again, I was thinking I was gonna try something new there, and um, just kind of doing the same thing I always do. We were up 5%. We didn't take it. Got to get ahead of $2.33, and we have like a hole here that we can fall back into. So. Yeah, like we got to get above 32 cents here. There's a little bit of a block there. So if we can get above that, that would really help out. You see how 32 is giving it trouble? What the fuck is that, a bird? It's a little bit concerned there with all these wicks. See these tail wicks? These are, well, that's actually comes down and reject it. So like there, that's good. So we dipped our toes into the 32 and then boom, look at that. What did I tell you? And then we ran all the way up to 50. $2.50 there. That was a spike. Why would it want to do that? Interesting. Think about it. I don't know. You leave a comment. I guess we do this in real time every time. And this one's being really tricky to me. I think I should move my stop up to protect. I see $2.27, but I mean that might be a little too high. Yeah, so I moved it up $2.27. That would leave some profit. So this is kind of, taking its sweet fucking time here. So I put a sell limit in there for half or whatever, 1,100 units, like 2,000, whatever dollars. So when it comes up here, we're going to take that bit of profit off. Hopefully it'll do it right about now. We should almost move it up a bit. See how now it's going up harder here? But should we? Where is it at? It's at 44. It should fill here any second. There it is, it filled. So, we took some off the top. That was at like 8%, right? So 8% of half the position. So it should be like 200 and some odd bucks. So there it is there. $231 of profit. So now we're just gonna, I guess, sit and be patient. See if anything magical can happen here. If we can hit high a day here, that'd be, or high a pre-market, that'd be pretty fantastic. The far out chart here really doesn't have a whole heck of a lot. Like it's a pretty ugly looking chart here, right? We're definitely at the bottom here. Way up here. It's a lot of long way to go. It's a long road to the top if you want to rock and roll. I was kind of contemplating why take more than, or like, you know what I mean? Like, why not move that stop up? And we would have just been stopped out right there. There is that level at 32 here that still remains to be. This is, I guess they call this the retest of it. We'll just see if it holds. If it doesn't, then we'll just take our stop and take some more profit. And it's always in hindsight. You're like, oh, I should have done this, I should have done that, right? But it's like, I don't know, it looks like it's ripping back pretty hard now. It might have made the wrong choice here. You should have taken more off at the top. But at the moment, I was thinking to myself, oh, what, you're cutting your position in half. If this runs another X amount, you know what I mean? Like, that's kind of a, yeah, sure as shit looks like it's going to fall through right here. Well, there you go. There's the stop. I don't know what, like, could we have done it better? Every single time we can do it better. Yeah, so that first one was the 231, and now we've got that $40 stop out here. I say a stop out, but it's a profit, so that puts us at $271 on the day. So I guess like, share, subscribe, leave a thumbs up. Helps the channel out tremendously. Leave some comments. I'll go back to this now. Guess when we were wrong, you know what I mean? Should have just taken more off, I suppose. It's not what you trade, it's how you trade. That's for Darren Share. Like, share, subscribe, because without your subscription and your notification bell, you won't be able to come back for your high fives until the next bounce. Yeah, it's a tough one. It's a tough call.